Hey guys, it's Danny MK6 here. I haven't made a video in a while, so I thought I'd go through some new things and just kind of show the overall build on my MK6 GTI. So we'll start on the interior. I got the BFI ship knob, Yonin head unit. Just think it's a glow shift, boost gauge, and then Innovative Motorsports, ethanol sensor, ethanol gauge. I am running full E85. I haven't done too much to the interior. Oh, that's my, when meth is spraying, this light lights up. And under here, if I can pop this off, I do have the watt box installed, so I have two-step and no lift shift, which I will show you guys later when I'm doing a POV. My friend said I could use his GoPro, so I thought that'd be cool. But yeah, here's the front of the car. It has the Golf R bumper, the Cybin carbon fiber fenders, just some Alzor wheels. They're pretty cheap. I do have the Golf R side skirt, European tail lights, eBay spoiler thingy, eBay diffuser. Trying to think what else. I think that's pretty much it. I have this, another eBay splitter up here. Yeah, I like carbon fiber, as you can tell. And I actually am getting European headlights. So these ones are having problems. They're just some they're wind power, and I just keep having problems. Like right now, the LED strip is not working on that headlight. So I'm just gonna get, I actually have them up there in a box. I'm just waiting on the xenon bulbs, and yeah, I'm at my parents' house. They have all the tools. Yeah, I was messing with the meth system, but yeah, here's the engine bay. Got the forged twin intake. That's the AEM meth controller. There's my tank up here. I was having problems with it in the rear, so I moved it up here. The meth pump is actually, it's like about right here. I have it bolted up in there. Meth flows through there. There's a solenoid, and then I have 4 375 cc nozzles spraying right into the intake manifold runners. It is the integrated engineering intake manifold. I have the integrated engineering KO4 as well. It's the one that relocates the diverter valve, and then this actually is no longer even in use. This thing gave me so much problems. The forge blow-off valve, it just was sticking open and crap, so I put like 2 springs in here just to block it off for now, because I need a silicone cap to close off that pipe, because I already threw my stock pipe away because I'm stupid. I have the downpipe, Beluga Racing downpipe, Beluga Racing catback. Trying to think what else. Garage is gonna close. I think that's about it. It does make 380 to the wheels. I know that's hard to believe for a KO4 turbo, but I am running a shitload of meth and it's full E85. Oh, I did upgrade to Mabotech injectors, and this is on a custom Mabotech tune. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to check out this car's Instagram, which I update a lot more, than my YouTube. There it is. This would also be a lot better for you to message me if you have any questions or anything else about this car. If you want like 10% off on Mabotech products, he has a big brake kits from intercoolers, intakes, big turbos. I can get you a deal on those, so just hit me up with those. It helps me out a lot and will make this build progress a lot faster. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and just make sure I know it sounds neat or whatever, but just give me some ideas. I really don't know what to do with YouTube and this car, but I know people like it. So yeah, thanks guys, see you later.